welcome back to another video on the channel. And yes, we are back in BEAMNG, and today we're going to be doing more flood escape. We're here in the West Coast today, and I actually have the world's dumbest choice for what to do for our escape vehicle. A semi-truck, yes. I mean, it doesn't have anything, unfortunately, inside. Like I could go here. Unfortunately, it has no loads. But let's just pretend we're hauling a very special air. Yeah, that's what we're hauling today. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. It really helps out the channel. We're also getting very close to 400 subscribers already. So if you hit that red, which is now black, subscribe button, that really means a ton. And it'll yeah, thank you. But now let's get into the video. So we have to start the flood, of course. I'm gonna add the beautiful rain because, we'll put it at the 54, like just there. I know all you're hearing is like literal, yeah, but it's absolutely fine. Okay, it's fine. I got the height limit already. You guys don't have to see it. And 3, 2, 1, enabled. We have to get out of here fast, especially since we're like in the dockyards. We're already dead. I should have thought that through. So we're gonna reset the water level. No, I said reset. Okay, reset. I forgot about that. So I'm gonna make the speed a little less than it should be. Make it 0.492. I'm also gonna get a teeny bitsy head start, and now we're enabling it. No. Do I? What is wrong with me right now? I can't even escape yet. Okay. Thing is, now we're getting a huge head start. We're getting out of here, mostly, and then we'll start flooding. That was annoying. Okay, I'm sorry, Mr. Car right there. I don't know who that is. Now, enabled. Why are you mad at me? And what on earth did I do to you? Oh no, it's flooding already. No. I'll literally do it as slightly as possible. 0.492. That's literally exactly what I did a second ago. 0. I'm trying to do something. Maybe we should decrease the water level a bit. That probably will help, and hopefully it will, cause I really can't die like this. Okay, at least in the positives, it'll be 0, 0, 0. Now it's enabled at 4922 guide log. So now I have plenty of time to get out of here before the flood starts destroying the world. Also, I don't care about this guy over here. I think that might be oh, that's a cop. That is a cop. Oh, jeez, I do not know. No, Alright, we gotta get out of here. Thing is, we will have to kind of make it faster, otherwise it's kind of just not fair, so we'll make it high. Okay, Mr. Van, what are you doing here? Alright, we gotta get to higher ground, like now. So, yeah, we gotta get out of here. I still can't see the water. Oh, I can see the water. I can see it. I can see the water. Dude, Mr. Cop, don't do that. You're gonna get damaged. Oh my gosh, I thought I was dead there. The thing about these trucks is they're not very good at going uphill. So. Yeah, I should probably stop talking to the cops. They're kind of my enemy right now, and I kind of gotta go. Oh, that cop, you're not hitting me. Oh, no. He's coming over. Oh, sorry. Sorry, sir. Sorry, I didn't mean to. Apologies. Okay. We're already 5 minutes in this video, and you didn't need to see 2 minutes of terror. Or at least I think it's 2 minutes. I never paid attention to how it was going. So, oh no, we're going downhill. Oh jeez. Our radiator is damaged. I mean, yes, I got busted, but we're still fine. Oh jeez. I gotta get this car. Oh, why did I do that? I clicked the wrong button. Oh, we gotta get you out of here before the flood comes. Goodbye. Oh jeez, the truck is so damaged. We're dead. No, we're dead. Oh my gosh, we failed again, everybody. It's fine. Also, I'm going to change the weather because it just doesn't make sense for the flood change to sunrise. Nighttime is like perfect, but we're going to change up the rain volume now. Okay, you can hear me fine. I learned my lesson from the last video. Okay, I'm gonna turn on. Oh gosh! Yeah, I really cannot see without a headlight. So that's why I'm Oh, my dog's barking! Oh my gosh! I hate it. Wait, I have a light bar? I don't think I have a light bar, but turn it on high. I'm gonna do it in first person as well because it's easier to see anyways. Okay, maybe it's not as easy to see when there's this much, but let's just do it like, okay, the rain amount, putting you like, okay, that's good. I can see from there. 78, there you go, that's better. I can at least see. Okay, fine, we'll do 83. There you go, your lucky day. I gotta make the water level stay, what did I do? Why is my engine hydrolocking? I did like nothing. Okay, 24. Enabled. We gotta get out of here, folks. Alright, it's nighttime here. I really cannot see the water, but I see the water, so we gotta move. We gotta go fast, and we gotta go very furious as well, because this flood ain't gonna stop itself. So, oh jeez, I literally almost just got killed by that old barrier. I don't care about you right now. Okay, that was a little lag. It's a little laggy, but it's fine. Most a little bit. Okay, get out of my way, Mr. Sunburst. But I can't do this too much. I can't be like pushing Sunburst right now because I have to get out of here now. I already said that last time, but we gotta get out of here like immediately. We got a lot of cars after us now, and it's definitely not helping when there's a flood. Even though we're delivering nothing, it is still very, very hard. I don't know what's wrong with my engine. My engine is getting damaged somehow. Okay, I don't know where the flood is. I cannot see the flood from here, but we gotta keep going. We gotta keep trucking, alright, folks? We gotta go as fast as possible. Okay, the rain's slowing down a little bit up here. Just to say that's a big clump of rain. That's fine. Oh, we just gotta go. Get out of my way. Don't need ya. Yeah. Go. Alright. No, we're dipping down again. That's not good. That is very ungood. No, Get out of my way, cop. Really? You had to hit the trailer? Oh, jeez. Oh, I thought I was gonna tip over for sure. Do I see the blood? There's nothing there. Alright, get out of my way, folks. We gotta go. Alright, oh jeez. I thought the trailer was gonna scrape at the top there. I guess it did not. It's probably the camera. Because we're in a little semi-truck. I'm sorry. I don't know what we're gonna do and how we're gonna get up there though. Especially since it's nighttime. So I don't even know what's happening. Hey, dude, do you have greater things to like make people get evacuated, boy? Like, shouldn't the police be doing other things like evacuating the city? Oh, jeez, I'm gonna let go of the trailer now. Oh, no. My lights broke. Actually, no, I think they just turned off. No, seriously, right now? Now's not a good time. I don't care. Wait, race. I can't race in this thing. We gotta quickly turn on like the headlights right now. Now. The headlights for some reason just turned off. I don't know why. No, stop it! Stop it. That's actually the truck's fault, not mine. Wait. No. Get free! I don't care! I don't care! Drive! No! It's not gonna budge. Hurry up! Go! Oh, that. I don't care if I don't have a cab right now. What? We're stuck on a rock. Go! Yes! We're free. We gotta hurry. Let's not stop being slow. Okay, don't hit the rocks. Drive. Get a little boost here. Alright, we got a little bit. Oh, shoot. I'm surprised the flood hasn't hit us yet. Go! Stupid truck! Go! Oh my god, drive! Please! No! I don't think we're gonna make it. Definitely not. Unless we use the power of nodes. That's our only hope right now. I don't care right now. I just need to get out of here. That's all I care about right now. I don't care if I lost my headlight. Okay, actually, I can. No! We're done, folks. We're done. Wait. No. We're driving. We're going. What? Why are you mad at me? What did I do? Who did I hit? We're done. You know what? Come with me, stupid truck. You learned your lesson. You're learning your lessons. Did I just pull out the engine? You know what? Come on. I know you want to. Now come with me now. Just drop it. I was never gonna make it anyway. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm spawning here. So set water level. I gotta get the, Okay, what am I getting stuck on? What on earth? That rock, that stupid rock. Move. Thank you. yeah, that actually really does make sense. Alright. Enabled. And it'll be fast. Fast! Right, we gotta go. It's loud. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Come on, truck! Oh! Remind me never to do this again. Guys, I can see the flood right now. It is rising very fast. We gotta hurry up. But, yeah, I'm gonna go as fast as I can. I can't talk. It stopped! My engine literally stopped working! Oh my gosh, I am so unlucky. But anyway, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I took a lot of time making this, and a lot of stress was upon me. I literally wanted to blow up my computer because I couldn't drive up. My engine just stopped working. It was completely fine. All it had was an over-revving risk, but it still worked. It said the engine was on, but it didn't move. It said engine is off, starting, and it just didn't move. So, yeah, we'll see you next time. Peace.